welcome to my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sulfi Nurul Destrianti. I'm from 7B semester of English Education Department of STKIP Muhammadiyah Bogor. I made this video to fulfill my assignment for midterm test pragmatic subject, and I would like to talk about Grecian maxims and why people look at certain events or section of comedy movies or stand-up comedy according Grecian maxim. Definition of Grecian maxim. The philosopher Vulgaris proposed four conversational maxims that arise from the pragmatic of natural language, and Grecian maxim it is a principle that must be understood by both speaker and listeners when communicating so that the communication process can run well. Greece cooperative principle. Make your contribution such as it is required, the stage at which it occurs by the exact purpose or direction of the talk exchange in which you are engaged. The principle that was coined by Vulgaris in the 1975 is also known as the conversational maxims, which consists of four maxims, namely quality, quantity, relation, and manner. Maxim of quality. The maxim of quality is the presentation of information that is true, real, and according to actual facts. In other words, neither the speaker nor the interlocutor state anything that was considered wrong, and every contribution to the conversation should be supported by adequate evidence. Example, do you know where Ani was treated? Yes, I know from Budi. He said he had visited medical hospital. The second is, it is very hot today, and spoken when the sun is hot. The second is maxims of quantity. The maxim of quantity is a form of presenting information or making a contribution according to or sufficiently needed by the interlocutor. The provision of information is carried or effectively and efficiently and not excessive. Example, the speech occurred between fellow STKIP Muhammadiyah students. A. Mr. Muntajir entered the class. B. Mr. Muntajir, a lecturer in creative writing, who is also the head of the Indonesian language department, entered the class. The third is maxim of relation or relevance. The relation of maxims requires the speaker to make a contribution that is relevant to the problem of the conversations. That is, an utterance must be relevant to the content of the current conversations. Example, in the boarding house, Dian, Henok, Yanti, and Eka were chatting. In the middle of the chat, Dian left them, and then Henok asked Enoch, Dian, where are you going? Dian, I'm sleepy. Maxim of manner. The last is maxims of manner. Maxim of manner is one of the Greek conversational maxims which constitute the cooperative principle. The maxims of manner, when one tries to be as clear, as brief, and as orderly as one can, what one say, and where one avoid obscurity and ambiguity. Be first speech cause, avoid obscurity of expression, avoid ambiguity, be brief, avoid unnecessary prolixity, be orderly. Example, A. I hear you went to the opera last night. How was the lead singer? B. The singer produced a series of songs corresponding closely to the score of Aria Rigoletto, Levinson's 1983. B. Float. The maxim of manner as the stench in unnecessarily frolics. And then I will discuss a little about humor or joke. Humor is something funny which causes an emotion or laughter. Humor is synonymous with anything funny which makes people laugh. And then jokes is a humor or joke that is based on things that are funny or smell of comedy jokes. Anything that can make you laugh to the point of churning your stomachs can be said to be jokes. And next, why people laugh at certain events or sections of comedy movies or stand-up comedy according Gracian maxims. In my opinion, because there is a violation of speech maxims in a conversations. In bahasa, jika dikaitkan dengan prinsip kerjasama, mengapa orang-orang bisa tertawa ketika melihat komedi, stand-up komedi atau komedi movies? Itu karena adanya pelanggaran maxim tutur, di mana ketika penutur dan lawan tutur saling bercakapan, saling bercakap, saling ngobrol atau sedang mengobrol, itu ada pelanggaran maxim tutur. Seperti tidak relevan antara konteks pembicaraan dengan jawaban, dan itu yang menyebabkan percakapan itu tidak nyambung dan menyebabkan adanya candaan atau gurauan dan membuat orang-orang tertawa karena adanya pelanggaran maxim tutur itu ketika melakukan atau melangsungkan percakapan antara penutur dan lawan tutur. Okay, maybe enough for today. Sorry for many mistakes in my explanation for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.